And welcome back, sports fans. Due to the success of the last video we had with the Jaguar collection, we're now doing a PC Engine collection. There's a fair few titles to go through, but here we go. I will do my best for you. Let me just get into a reasonably comfortable position. And we shall start with W the Ring, I think this one's called. Bit of a shooter. In fact, it's not a bad game at all. It's on a cue card. One of my personal favourites, that one is actually. It took me a while to get hold of it. It wasn't that cheap, but yeah, it's a good game. We'll do 2 piles. Thunderblade. What can be said about Thunderblade? It's not a bad game, to be honest with you. I don't play it a lot. Probably should play it a little bit more, but I don't. I remember it in the arcades. I had it on a few other systems as well. I think I might have had it on the Master System. Anyway. Super Darius 2. That is a good game on the CD-ROM. Oh, I've got a screenshot for you. Don't show you a lot, but that is a good game. Good shooter. What can be said about the next one, eh? Gunhead. Great game. Dragon Saber. I would assume that's another shooter, if I know me. Right, bit of factory seal goodness now. All the way from Japan, Street Fighter 2 Champion Edition. Never been out the sleeve. Now this one isn't a particularly good game. It's another shooter for the CD-ROM called Avenger. Not a particularly good game, but it's another one off the list. Forgotten Worlds. Now this is a good game. Good conversion. Enjoy this game a lot. One of my favourites actually on the system. Zero Wing. It's not a bad shooter. You probably get a flavour that most of these shooters, it's probably what you expected anyway, but we'll go through them anyway. Darius Plus. Oh, I like this one next. Devil's Crash, or Devil Crash. Yeah, pinball game. Very good, very enjoyable. Override. Batman. Now that is a good game actually, this Batman one. It's top down. Very enjoyable. Yeah, I like that one. Superstar Soldier. Enough said, another shooter. Twin B. Screeny Shots. Oh, personal favourite, Rainbow Islands. That wasn't cheap. I didn't pay 59 for it. I paid something like about 30. Some guy bought it and then he was selling it on eBay a couple of days after. So yeah, I snatched that off him for 30. Don't see that listed very often. This next game is just fucking awful conversion. In my opinion, it's unplayable. I'll go back to the Mega Drive version. It's terrible. Terrible. Golden Axe. Super Darius. I'm a sucker for the next franchise. Gradius. Any system I see Gradius on, I seem to pick it up for. Great game. Always will be. Here's one for Addy Sneaker Freak. New Zealand story. I thought there were some screenshots, but obviously not. Yeah. Great conversion of a good arcade game. Like that one a lot. Mr. Heli. Final Soldier. Image Fight. One of my all-time favourites now of all time. Galaga. Love Galaga. Brilliant game. Saint Dragon. Or Saint Dragon. Bomberman. Love the Bomberman games. Always more fun when you got a couple of people around and a multi-tab. This one, you have to excuse my conversion of the name, but it's called Honey in the Sky. The shooter set in a garden. P47. R-Type 2. What the fuck was this called? Fatal Fury, was it, or something like that? I don't know. Terry Bogard. I can't fucking remember. I've been drinking again. It's not good. You'll know what it is anyway. And this is for the arcade system, the arcade CD-ROM. Never drink and make videos. Sidearm Special. Can't even remember the name of that one. It's like P47 with the old World War II. Planes and that, shooting everything up. We're in outer space. Hellfire. Crest of Wolf. Now this was an interesting one. I got this from America to beat 'em up. He's really cheap as well. Quite enjoyable. Similar to like a Final Fight kind of side-scrolling beat 'em up. R-Type Complete. Hope I'm not bored you too much. What the fuck does that say? Final something or other. I don't fucking know. Never drink and make videos, kids. Altered Beast. That was after I'd had a few scoops one night. I ended up buying that for some reason. Terrible game. Xevious. Great game. Oh, fantastic. Raiden. Super Raiden. What can I say? Brilliant. Alzadik. It's not a bad one actually, Alzadik. Now this one I'm having a problem with at the moment. I try to load it up, get the menu screen on, select one player, and then it just doesn't load after that for some reason. I've cleaned the disc, I've checked the disc, I just cannot work it out why it doesn't work. I'm really pissed off with it. It's Pang. I've only ever seen that come on eBay once or twice. Great game. I have to make do with the Super Nintendo for the time being. Clax. Not bad. You know what you're going to get with the Clax game. Now this one is an interesting one. It is. Oh, fucking hell! No, I shouldn't have opened that up. Double Dragon 2, The Revenge. And it's actually pretty good. Yeah, look on the back of the screenshots. It's playable. Not bad. I enjoy it. Give that a little whirl, maybe later. But yeah, that's my PC Engine collection at the moment. Not really got anything on order for it at the moment as I've slowed down with a few things. But I hope that gives you an idea of what I've got so far and where we're kind of going, as you probably know with the shooters. So there you go. Next video that I may do a Sega Saturn one. We'll see. See if enough people like this one. If you do and you want it, I'll do it. See you again. Bye.